Hello, friends. Thank you for joining me for another math vocabulary quick video tips. My name is Mrs. C, and today we're going to be talking about making 10. So to make 10, there are many different combinations of numbers you can use. Your fingers are really great when you're practicing making 10 because you have 10 fingers. Let's look at those equations and go over them together. Here are many ways to make 10. You can add 1 plus 9, and that will equal 10. You can also add 2 plus 8. That equals 10 as well. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. And 5 plus 5 equals 10. That's a doubles fact too. Now look at what happens to our equations after 5 plus 5. Now we're going to go in reverse order. 6 plus 4 equals 10, just like 4 plus 6. 7 plus 3 equals 10, just like 3 plus 7. 8 plus 2 equals 10, and 9 plus 1 equals 10. So those are the equations or number sentences that we can use to make 10. There's also a really fun song that you can sing that will help you remember these numbers. So it goes 10 and 0, 9 and 1, 8 and 2, 8 and 2, 7 and 3, 6 and 4, 5 and 5, 5 and 5. So instead of saying plus, they're saying and, but it's saying put those numbers together and they will equal 10 as well. Now, the way I like to think of these is I like to think of how I could use counters. I'm going to use two different colors to represent my equations. So right here, I have 5 and what else? What else is going to make 10? If I fill in 5 of my counters in red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many counters are left in my tens frame? I see 5 more, right? That's that doubles fact. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So if you're not sure what number can be added to another to equal 10, you could use a tens frame to help. Let's look at the next one. It says 7 and blank. What number equals 10? If I fill in 7 purple counters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I can count to see how many I have left. How many counters are still blank? 1, 2, 3. That means 7 plus 3 equals 10. Let's do one more. 2 and what? 2 and what other number? Let's go ahead and fill in our 2 counters in light blue. How many counters in that tens frame are left? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 2 plus 8 equals 10. Now look at the next one. The next one is really neat. It says 10 and what makes 10? If I already have 10, right? Think of your 10 fingers. How many fingers do I need to add to it to get 10? 0, right? If I already have all 10 and my tens frame filled in, I don't need to add anything else. So that means 10 plus 0 makes 10 as well, or equals 10 as well. All right, I said one more, but let's do just another to finish up. 6. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many counters are blank in our tens frame? I see 1, 2, 3, 4 more. That means 6 plus 4 makes 10. So you can practice using your fingers, you can practice using counters, you can sing a fun song, but the faster and easier it is for you to remember how to make 10, it'll make it much easier when you do bigger math problems as well, when you're doing addition and subtraction. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this quick tip video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye, goodbye.